A real traffic stop escalate from words to shattered glass. I'll point out the legal forks in the road and where this could have ended with a citation instead of an arrest.
You do not consent, you do not wish to contract with me.
She opens with a script you've likely seen online. I do not consent. I do not wish to contract with you. That is not a legal shield during a traffic stop.
10-4. Ma'am, can you turn your vehicle off for me? All right, listen to me. I know you don't answer questions.
The officer acknowledges the phrases and gives a clear, lawful command. Ma'am, turn your vehicle off for me. Behind the wheel, that command is tethered to the officer's safety and the lawful stop.
Okay, you understand that if you don't comply with what I'm saying, you are going to go under arrest.
Did I commit a crime?
Yeah, 10-4.
Did I commit a crime?
Like I said.
He radios for another unit and repeats the command. He addresses her as ma'am, explains what must happen, and sets expectations. This is the moment to comply and contest later in court.
All right, I'm going to have her 10-15. I need 94 if you close the windows. I'm going to break the window. I understand that. It's a female driver telling me that.
Now he states the consequence plainly. If you don't open the door and step out, I'm going to break the window and take you under arrest. That's a warning, not a bluff.
Because I have a fee.
Listen to me.
No.
Listen to me, ma'am. You're going about this the wrong way. You're just going to get a citation. You're about to go to jail for resisting.
She asks, did I commit a crime? On a lawful stop, refusing commands can become a separate offense, resisting or obstructing, depending on the statute.
Ma'am, I don't want to use force against you. You understand that, right? Ma'am. Okay. Turn your vehicle off, ma'am.
Listen for the final warning. One more chance. When a specific lawful order is repeated with a clear consequence, noncompliance usually triggers force.
Open your vehicle door.
She says, kidnap me. Legally, this is not a kidnapping. It is a custodial arrest during a traffic stop that has now escalated.
Breaking the window, open the vehicle door. You are under arrest. At this point, you have no say. Open the vehicle door.
He says he doesn't want to use force, and he repeats the off-ramp, step out of the vehicle. That off-ramp is still open.
Resistance, step out of the vehicle, ma'am.
Here's the pivot point. He declares she is under arrest for resisting and gives multiple step-out commands. This is where the window smash becomes imminent.
Step out of the vehicle. Step out. Step out of the vehicle.
If your plan relies on magical words, this is the outcome you risk.
Step out of the vehicle or you're going to get tased.
He warns, step out or you're going to get tased. Taser warnings are another last chance off-ramp before more force is used. Now, force is used to overcome resistance, and she is taken into custody. At this stage, arguing law at the window has removed choices and added charges.
Step out of the Get behind your back. Hands behind your back. Hands behind your back. You want to play games? Now you're under arrest.
You guys are sued at all.
Yeah, that's fine.
No crime committed.
Yeah.
It's 4 mil.
What do you think? I just got back. Venice?
Simple as hell. You should have just complied.
You guys are screwed.
All right, man.
You're screwed.
I'm going to help you.
This is your last stand.
I'm gonna have you step up.
This is your last stand.
Stand up.
At that point, the legal question is no longer about consent. It's about compliance with arrest procedures.
Brand new car. You guys
Open.
Post-arrest, the officer reads Miranda. Miranda is not required for a license request. It is required before custodial interrogation. If you hear Miranda, stop talking unless and until you want to speak with counsel.
Court of law. You have the right to talk to an attorney and have him, her present with you before doing questioning. If you cannot afford to hire an attorney, one will be appointed to represent you on no cause before doing questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise your rights and not answer any questions or make any statements.
You'll hear talk about tow charges and jail transport. That is the standard administrative tale of an arrest after a traffic stop escalates.
Got rescue coming to check your cuts. Then after that, going to jail.
So then she has a valid Florida license. I don't know where it's at.
Unreal.
Now the legal takeaways quickly and clearly. 1. Behind the wheel, expect to present your license upon lawful request. 2. Sovereign citizen phrases have no force in a traffic stop. 3. Lawful orders must be obeyed. Dispute the stop in court, not through a window.
Got persisting. I got failure to comply with law enforcement plus several citations.
All right, yeah, we'll handle it now.
Thank you, guys. Yeah, no worries.
I'm like,
Yeah, no, you're good. It escalated. I didn't want it to escalate.
4. If you are detained or arrested, keep your hands visible. State that you will not answer questions without a lawyer, and stop talking. 5. If force occurs, request medical evaluation and preserve all evidence. 6. If you believe your rights were violated, request the body-worn camera video through the appropriate records process and speak with counsel.
We don't have to talk. Just go home.
What? Nobody gave you permission to search that
Don't
vehicle.
worry about it. Get out of the scene. That's fine. Get out of the scene and go home.
Hey, I'm out of the scene right now, buddy.
Yep, that's fine. You can record over there, across, whatever you want.
I will.
Just go home.
I don't have to go home. Don't
Well,
tell me what to do.
Have a good day.
Bottom line from a lawyer's perspective. On the roadside, compliance preserves your options. Non-compliance limits them and adds charges. Record if lawful, comply with commands, and move the fight to court.
I'll be right here.
Where's the car going is what I'm asking.
Just ignore him. I'll let him know. Just go on to talent towing. We'll give her a copy of it.
If you want a simple, printable traffic stop script and a public records request template, subscribe and check the download. Laws vary by state. This is educational, not legal advice.